Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. Namaste, everyone, and I welcome you to the another episode of Feel the Bliss podcast. We all have committed mistakes, sometimes small, trivial. We just used to laugh at it and just forget about it. And sometimes the mistakes were used to be so big that they changed the course of our lives. They changed us, they changed the circumstances around us, people around us, and literally everything around us. They made us strong, they made us learn certain kind of lessons, and sometimes we used to repeat the mistakes again and again and again and never learned the lesson until we became mature or we met a person who helped us realize what was going wrong. So, yes, it definitely has an impact on our lives. But there's one more thing which I have really seen when we make mistakes. We get to know people around us. There are three kind of reactions which we get when we make a mistake. First, there are people who are very angry with us. They will shout at us and they'll be obviously sad about what we have done in our lives. But they would not leave us. They would not, belittle they will not shake our confidence. They will empower us to get over that mistake. If there's a problem with us, they are not going to let their ego come in between the relationship, and they will come forward and help you to get over those mistakes or problems that you're facing in our life. The second type of people which we are going to meet are, they'll never ever tell you that you're making a mistake. They'll always be yes sir kind of person. Even if those little decisions which you're making are going to have a very negative impact in your life, just because they don't want to go out of your good books, they will never warn you that what you're doing in life is wrong. And the third kind of people we are going to meet are the ones who are actually finding that one little mistake which you're going to commit, and they are going to come with the bang and just break your confidence like hell. They are going to make everybody believe that you're a loser. They're going to make you believe that you're a loser, and their behavior is going to be such an pathetic behavior that you completely forget about the mistake. And instead, whatever would be happening with them would be another kind of problem which you need to solve. You'll be like, "Ah, which kind of problem I should solve first, this or this?" Because they are going to behave very weirdly. If you commit a mistake, they will behave as if you have hurted them personally. You committed that mistake intentionally, and it is going to be a very difficult situation for you. But my dear friends, I feel that whatever happens, happens for good. If you find such people who are always yes sir, yes, you're doing great, and they are never ever criticizing you for your any mistake. I mean, we deep inside know where we are wrong. Our ego may not let us speak up, but yes, deep down our conscious knows that we are wrong. And if that time there are some people around you who are not telling that you are doing wrong, just cut them off from your life, because they are not good people. They are definitely in your life for some kind of reasons. Either they are there because you're a very influential person, or a very rich person, or there's some kind of benefit they're going to get from you, and that is why they're behaving this way. And maybe they are not nice people. They don't value the relationship, the beautiful relationship you have. So just let those people go. I am not talking about those people who don't talk negative and criticize, but it's not about criticizing and talking negatively. It is about telling the other person that here you are wrong, and my dear friend, you should not do this. You should follow certain things and make this mistake. Just do something about it. And the second type of people, the drama people, who are going to bring that extra drama while you'll be dealing with the consequences of the mistakes you have made. Just thank God, people, because uh, now you know that they are no good people in your life, and you just need to throw them out of your lives. If in the time of need they are, rather than empowering you, pulling you down, uh, breaking your confidence, making you feel as if you are good for nothing, they are the most dangerous people in your lives, because they are going to break you. They are going to destroy your confidence. So just thank God that you got to see their true face, and just push them away out of your life. You don't need to disrespect them. You don't need to just cut the cords with them. Cut the cords with them mentally, emotionally. But obviously, if a relationship is involved, if there's a professional relationship or a blood relationship, then we cannot break that relationship, and we should always respect the other person. But stop being emotionally and physically and mentally dependent on them. And the first kind of people who will tell us about our mistakes, who will point out that here you're wrong and here you're right, they are the real gems in your life. They are the persons, the gift from God, who will help you all your life to become a better person. In every situation, in every difficulty, they are going to stand by you. They'll always be there, and they will be the ones who will criticize you when you'll be doing something wrong. They'll be praising you when you'll be doing something right. They'll be motivating you when you feel down, and they will bless you, empower you, inspire you every single day, every single time you need that motivation, you need that inspiration, you need that power. Hold them tight, love them, be grateful for them. They are the real gifts from God which you have in your lives. Cherish them, value them, and respect those relationships. I hope, guys, that this little experience which I have gained from my life will help you, and you will also realize that which which relationships and which person in your life are the ones who are actually really there for you, and it doesn't matter if they're a little bit rude, or it doesn't matter if they're blunt and they just don't praise you every single time. But if they're honest with you, just value them. So guys, I really hope that today you'll just sit for 5 minutes and just go deep into that meditation, that thinking, that who are those people who have always stood by me. They had criticized me. They were even rude to me when I did certain mistakes. They were even harsh towards me when I was doing something wrong in life. They were constantly reminding of my mistakes, but they stood by me. Sit, be grateful for them, thank God that they are in your lives, and send them a blessings. And if possible, pick up your phone, call them, and thank them for every single moment, for every single time they helped you, they motivated you, they guided you, and they were there for you. Just do it, and you'll feel great. So guys, this is all for this episode. I hope you like it and you'll come back to this channel. Please like and subscribe, and stay safe, stay happy. Namaste.